The EDCO 16-inch handheld saw is designed to make straight cuts into stone-like materials, including brick, masonry, concrete, and natural stone. The saw uses diamond blades to cut this material, or abrasive blades to cut metal. This powerful saw has a 16-inch diamond blade capacity, and with load, spins at 1,760 revolutions per minute. It's ideal for creating window and door openings, skylights, and other cutting applications. Its maximum depth is 6 inches. To prepare this saw for operation, begin by installing the 16-inch diamond blade. To install, remove the bolts from the shroud, take off the shroud, bolt, and arbor cap. Slide the blade onto the arbor shaft, and reconnect the cap and shroud. This roller guide stabilizes the blade and selects cutting depth by limiting how deep the blade can cut. Unlock the guide and move front to back to select the depth and stabilizing position needed. For applications where the guide is not needed, fasten the guide fully turned toward the on and off switch. To perform a cut, plug in the saw and press the reset button on the GFI electrical protector. A red light will appear when appropriate power is connected. If cutting wet, attach a garden hose to this water hookup and open the valve. EDCO recommends cutting wet, but if cutting dry, wear a proper dust mask. Turn on the saw and touch the blade to the surface. Push the saw into the material until the desired cutting depth is reached. Always grasp the handles tightly and be ready to resist unexpected saw movements. When finished, turn off the saw and wait until the blade stops completely before lifting from the cut. Step cutting is strongly recommended for deeper depths. Step cutting is cutting a shallow line and then repeating the same line until the deeper depth is reached. This saw has a maximum depth of 6 inches. The saw can be fitted with a flush cut kit designed for both wall and floor flush cutting. The kit includes a special shroud, arbor backing plate, and bolts, allowing the saw blade to cut closely against surfaces. To attach, remove the standard shroud. Remove the standard bolt and arbor cap. Remove the blade. Install the kit's arbor backing plate. Then slide on the specific flush cutting blade. This blade has 3 holes for the 3 kit bolts. Secure the blade and attach the special shroud. As seen here, the blade now cuts flush against floors and walls. Abrasive blades and a larger flange are available for metal cutting. This saw is low maintenance. EDCO recommends general maintenance after 250 hours of use. Before and after every job, inspect the diamond blade for damage and missing segments. Using damaged blades can result in serious injury. Saw cutting is messy. Make sure the working area is ready and protective clothing is worn. Refer to the provided operator's manual and parts list for maintenance advice and additional information.